chick. Chick with a gun. Gun. Chick with a gun. Gun. Goes. Click. Click with a gun. Gun. Click. Click. Chick. Mother taught me how to be a chick. Father taught me how to be a click. Mother taught me how to be a Father taught me how to be a click. Boy, check yourself, boy. Click, collect yourself, boy. Father, teach me how to run. Teach me how to breathe. Teach me how to grieve. Father, teach yourself to grow up. Teacher, teach yourself to grow. Don't blossom. Boy, be a boy. Don't be a chick. Don't let me hear no heels. Click. Muzzle up your boy self. Be a man with a gun. Grown men make God, not love. Go make God with your gun. Love, drink, puke in the sink. $60 whiskey, ice cube, clink. Are you a boy or a girl or a chink? Are you a body or a boy or nobody or nothing or a chick? Skinny. Your body is skinny. Your body is bones. Your body is dreams, dribble drops off ice cream cones. Living. Your body is dry women. Your body is chick with no guns. Your body is click when it runs. Your body is little. Your body is no space. Your body is the feminine race. Your body is rice. Your body is spice. Your body is sugar and spice. Nice. Not mean. Your body is not lean. It is sick. It clicks. Your body is sick. Your body is girl with no weapons. Weak. Your body don't breathe when it runs. Your breath don't come easily. Your breath don't please me. Your breath, Father God, teach me to breathe. Father God, teach me to breathe without a machine. Father God, don't leave me. My body is sick, boy, sick, and my lungs go click. I don't have guns. I'm a chick. Pity. You wasn't born a girl, born pretty. Could have been a badass body toy and pretty. Instead of born someone's son, born a chick with a gun. Like a badass girl with the right hook, looking for trouble, raising, rousing, rabble, building all her badass like the Tower of Babel. Hey, these days, all the killer chicks have guns. All the heroes look pretty when you run. If your body clicks, be a pretty chick. Be a pretty chink. Be a pretty chink with a gun. Clink.